how to keep all your YouTube subscription private in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And one thing I'm telling you that you can't do this in your YouTube app. You have to go to your browser and then search for it, search for youtube.com, and then when you search it, then you come to this page, and then the next step is you have to click on these three dots in the top right corner, and then request desktop site. And when you are requesting desktop site, it is loading, so you have to wait until it loads, and then you have to zoom in, and here you can see you have to click on this your profile picture in the top right corner, and then you have to go to the settings. And when you go to the settings, you can see that there is a account tab, and I have to go to the privacy tab. And when you go to the privacy tab, here you can see there is option keep all my subscriptions private, and so there is option. And when you disable it, then you can't your subscription is not private, and when you enable it, then your subscription is private. So you can enable or disable by clicking on this uh, uh, button, in this blue button. And so that's it. And you can clicking on here, you can see keep all my subscription private, and then can enable or disable it. So that's it, that how you can keep your all your subscriptions private in 2021. And that's basically it. And if you uh, found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and let me know in the comments that it works. And if you don't if your this tutorial don't work for you, then you can question in the comment section. I will answer you. Have a good day.